morning, children. We are discussing about government. What is government? And we studied what is government and what are the various functions of the government. Okay. So now that you know that government is responsible for many things. The government is responsible for many things. So in a country, the government is very important for its functioning and for the happiness of the lives of the people. Government is very important. Okay. So now you have doubt how all these things, how government is doing. It is very difficult now to control all these areas. In India, if you take, there are 28 states are there, and different governments are there. So people are different. We studied about diversity, and everything is diverse. So how the government is controlling all these things, that is very important. Okay, so that is here is the importance of levels of government. So government works various levels. Our government is working various levels. So it is very easy to works. So what are their levels? We are going to see. Okay, the government works at different levels. That is central government, state government, in village level panchayati raj or local self government. Okay, like that government work at three levels. Government works at three levels: central level, central government; then state level, state government; in local or village level, that is known as Panchayati Raj system is working. Local self government is working. Like that, government is working at three levels. Okay, so central government means entire the country whole. One government is controlling. In that 28 states and different union territories are there. All these things are controlled by central government. And state government means we have 28 states. Each state have its own government. And through that, Kerala state have a government. Like that, all other states, Tamil Nadu state, Karnataka state is there. So like that, all other government also have its own government. So it is working at different state level also. Then the last level is known as third level, that is local self government. In a village level, in a local level, that is local self government, that is known as Panchayati Raj. Panchayat, you know, Minangadi Panchayat. Okay, Panchayat is again divided into three. Okay, Panchayat level, third level is again divided into three. That is known as district Panchayat, block Panchayat, and Grama Panchayat. That we will study in next chapter, next class, detailing. So local self-government again divided into three. That is known as district Panchayat, block Panchayat, and Grama Panchayat. Okay, so like this, government is easily working through this different level. So now a decision is taken by the central government. It is through these levels, it will fast reach our Panchayat. So that is importance of this level. So we studied today three levels, that is central government, state government, and in village level Panchayati Raj system, in local self government. It is also known as local self government. So that is about. Then next one is the laws of the government. Laws and government. So laws are very important for the government. Okay, the government makes laws and everyone who lives in the country has to follow it. Okay, so the government makes laws for us. So everyone in the country the people have to follow that one. So this is the only way the government can function. So government is easily function through laws. So there are many laws are there. When we are following that law, government is easily running. So we can say one example. Without driving license, we can't drive motorbike or a car or any kinds of vehicles. So there is needed driving license. Without driving license, if we are driving, means maybe police will check. In that police catches means that time what is happening, we have to pay the fine. So like this, the laws have power to punish the government. Through the laws, government have the power to punish us if any laws are violated means we violated means the government has the power to punish us. So maybe we will go to the jail, or many we have to pay a fine. Like that, government is working nicely. Okay. In addition to any action that government can take, there are also steps the people can take if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. So another thing is that there are many laws made up for us. The people should obey that one. But if any laws is not good, means we can question that laws also through court. Through court we can maybe one example, if I say based on religion or based on caste, job is giving means. So if I am a Brahmin only, I will get a job. That is inequality discrimination. Like this situation, we can question that laws. So that is about laws for the government. Then next point is that types of government. Types of government. It is also very important. We studied about what is government, we studied functions of the government, we studied, and how it is working, levels of government, all these things we studied. Now it is very important types of, there are many different type of government, different types of government. Two we are studying, that is, one is about democracy and one is about monarchy. Democratic form of government and a monarchy form of government. Okay, so that is very important. Democratic form of government, maybe you heard about in 5th standard also, maybe you studied. It is people have the power to elect the government, select the government. The power is inside the hand of the people. That is known as democratic government. In a democracy, people is very important. India is a democratic country. Here the people are very important. People have the power to select their government through election and through vote. That is known as democratic government. And the democratic government have the everything, all the decision how to explain to the people also. So it is for the people. Who democratic government is for the people, and it is selected by the people. That is known as democracy. Monarchy means here king or queen is ruling. Okay, monarchy type of government means where the king or queen is ruling, that country is known as monarchy. There is very important is king or queen. The people do not have much power in the monarchy government. The decision is taken by the king or queen, one person, and that is a law that everyone should obey. The people do not have power to question the government, but in democracy, people have the power to question government. If the government is not taking good for the people, means the people can question. But in monarchy, there is king or queen is very important. So that means people can't question king. Or if we or the people are questioning, means their head will go. Okay, the king can order to cut the head. So that is cut our own head. So that is very important. The people do not have any power. Okay, don't have much power in the monarchy government. But in a democracy, it is very important. It is for the people. So, and people have the power to select their government. And the government is not doing good, means after the 5 years or in a fixed period, we can select other government. That is very important. Okay, so today these things we have studied. What is different levels of government, 3 levels: central, state and local self-government, that is Panchayati Raj. And we studied what is law. Laws is very important for the government, like that the government is functioning, and we have to follow it. The government has the power to punish us if we are failed to obey the laws, means the government has the power to punish. Then we studied about types of government, democracy and monarchy. Democracy means it is the people who are very important. People have the power to choose their government, and the people have the power to question the government. But in monarchy means king or queen is ruling. So that is known as. So okay, thank you.